Morning, champions. Y'all ready to roll? Might be getting a 1 hour closure here in 8 minutes. Beautiful, beautiful. What's going on? What's going on, chat? Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Ooh. How are we feeling today? Everybody doing good? All right. What up, what up? Good morning, everybody. We're 406 subscribers, man. Wow. All right. So, good morning, everybody. Let's just wait here on this closure. We got a few minutes. Might get a close above finally. But hope you guys are doing good. Hope y'all having a great day. Like the stream on your way in. Say good morning in the chat on your way in. Let us know you're with us. Let us know who's hungry, who's here. Good morning, Ray. And let's do a quick breakdown, quick analysis here on gold. We got about 5 minutes here for this 1 hour candle to close, and maybe looking for some buys here. So let's do a real quick breakdown, right? On gold here. Hey, good morning, Kate. Good morning, good morning. So really quick, right? Before this 1 hour candle closes, let's do a 5 minute rapid analysis. Let me get Zoom up. Let me share the screen. Boom. Send the invite. Discord. I was just about to look at the Discord too. I'll look back at that in a second. All right, cool. So let's take a look at it. Weekly time frame, right? Weekly time frame is pretty bullish here. One thing we noticed is we did close with no top wick on that big bullish candle right here, right? It looks like we attempted to close above this level, but was never able to. Now there's also this area here as well that we did close above, and the bearish candle closed above it as well. So that's something to keep an eye on. Right now, this weekly candle has no top wick, and it looks like we've pushed down, but we've never broken the low. And now we're starting to push back up with no top wick, so there is a chance that today we can create a top wick here, right? There could be a top wick created. For all we know, we could even break the highs today, right? For all we know, we could even break this high up here at 2011. So it gets really interesting at this point on gold. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily time frame's been a little messy. It's been a little bit all over the place here. You have a support, you have a resistance. And this is the mini range you're in, and that mini range is in this range, right? So right now we're just trying to figure out where we want to go, right? We're bullish, then we're bearish, then we're bullish, then we're bearish, and now we close bullish on Tuesday, closed bearish yesterday, right? We've broken the lows here today, so very, very interesting on gold. But I mean, we are bearish, right? From a technical standpoint, we are bearish today. You had this candle yesterday, close bearish. Today we've broken the lows, we've created a top wick at this point. One thing I noticed about yesterday's daily candle is there's no top wick on that. So man, this daily candle, this daily time frame throws a lot at us here, right? So we really have to be careful, and we also have to be open for buys and sells today, because both of them can play out. Daily time frame really doesn't know which direction it wants to go, but from a technical standpoint, we are bearish today, so we are going to be more on the sell side of things. But let's take a look at this 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame is on a pretty nice uptrend here, right? You have this boom, 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 came down, and now are we going to continue up, right? That's the question. So we are pretty bullish on the 4-hour time frame. See if we can continue up and break through these resistances here. So let's scale down to the 1-hour time frame, and let's see if we're actually going to close above, because you have a resistance here, very strong resistance there on the 1-hour time frame, and then you also have a support, and it looks like price is pulling back right now, so we may not get that closure above, which is fine. But we are kind of just chopping around here in this range, right? Chart's frozen. What do you mean? My chart? No. No way. All right, so we did close bullish, but we didn't close above this area here, right? So still nothing on the buys, but if you do get a closure above here today, I do believe that that price could continue up, but right, that is a big but, because we have so many rejections here. All right, good now. Yeah, I don't know. So we really, right? Look at all these rejections. We really need a close above this level for us to really say we can look at buys. So 1969, 229, that's going to be the area in which we're going to look for a closure above today. If we do get that close above, I do believe that we will continue up here. But didn't happen just yet, right? So yeah, the chart should be fine. I don't think they're frozen. But in terms of sells, right? How are we gonna find sells today? Pretty simple. We could find sells back below this range here. Seems pretty clean. This was pretty nice last night, I believe. What did I see last night? Was it off the 15? I don't know. I thought I seen sells. I think it was right here, right? I thought it was on the 30 minute, maybe not. So yeah, so basically right now we're just chopping around here in this range. So it's probably gonna spend the majority of the morning up until unemployment claims come out. Then we'll finally see a breakout. But as of right now, no buys. Definitely no buys. 30 minute. Look how the 30-minute candle closed. That's just nasty. That's just nasty. 1 hour close back in the range. 30-minute, pretty choppy here. Yeah, I think the sells last night were down here. So yeah, we're probably going to spend the majority of the morning in this range before we see news come out here. We do have news at 8:30 today. They're expecting a bit different numbers from last month. So yeah, we'll keep an eye on this. This is going to be the range here today. For buys, I believe we're going to need a range 2. So let me just take a look at this daily candle again. So break of the highs is where? Yeah, so I'm gonna need a range 2 for buys here today. So we're gonna have to break out and then either create some sort of a celery play, right? It looks something like this. Have a candle break out, and then have another candle close bearish but above the range. Then I will look to take my buys coming up. So something like this. So once we break this high right here, we'll be entering positions, and then once we start breaking through these wicks, then oh my god, then we should really fly here. So that's the case for buys. If we don't get the celery play, then I'm gonna need some sort of range 2, right? So I'm gonna need something to form like this, like a close above, you know, maybe another one that's pretty weak and not breaking those highs, and then just a little break and retest, right? So even this is fine. Something like this coming back into these zones, and then we'll look to form that support, and then we could look to take our buys coming back up off the support here. So once this bullish candle closes and we officially have a support, that's when I'll look to take my buys. All right, because then you have a range, right? This is your first range from here to here, and then your second range is from this support to this resistance, and anything above that should be clean to continue on up. So that's what I'll be looking for on buys today, and or just a straight up celery play. And then sells, as long as we get a closure below here, I think we're pretty good to continue down here today. Got clean traffic to the left hand side, shouldn't be an issue. Probably look to take some profits right around this zone here, and just take advantage of this range right here. So this range is about 35 pips, and then below that there's even more clean traffic, so probably right into this range here. So below that you have 1959 as well. So pretty clean ranges here for the sells, but let's see what's going to happen here. We're probably going to end up waiting for unemployment claims since we didn't get that closure, but yeah, that's going to be the story here on gold today. Gold can easily push into 1975 here today. Easily, easy money. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, so that's what it's gonna look like here for gold. We'll get rid of this one for now. And yeah, so yeah, that's the story here, chat. So gonna keep myself out of this range here because it's just choppy. It's just pretty choppy here. If we notice, this whole range is a bit nasty from 1966 to 1969, but anything above that looks pretty clean to come on up, and anything below these levels here look pretty clean to push down. So that's what I'll be looking for. So the red zone's pretty small today, which is good, and the green zones are pretty big. So no trading in here for me. I'll look for buys coming up, and I'll look for sells going down. So that is my gold analysis, my rapid gold analysis. And yeah, we'll just sit and wait now for gold. Gonna need a closure. Definitely not jumping on these buys, but Nick, it's a wick fill. Yeah, but no closure above, no entries for me. Last 30-minute candle closed super weak. We've already broke the low. Not feeling that at all. So we're just gonna wait here. We got unemployment claims at 8:30. We'll see if anything shows up before then, and maybe we'll get a position before news. If not, we'll wait for the news to come out, and then we will make a decision. Sound good? And let's take a look at pound yen here as well. GJ. Got a beautiful engulfing weekly candle here. Perfect. So pound yen, you are pretty bullish at this point on the weekly time frame. The monthly time frame is also going to be ending, by the way, in today. We got what today, tomorrow, and then the monthly's up. So that's another thing, because if those buys work out here on gold, then that means that this monthly candle is closing above all other candles ever recorded in gold's history, right? So that gets a bit crazy. Yeah, that'll be nuts. It makes sense from a fundamental and economical standpoint for gold to do that. Now, will they allow gold to do that? That's another question, right? Because I believe they manipulate gold quite a bit. They've not really wanted it to push up past 2,000, but man, at this point with Russia and China and all these countries moving over, moving away from the US dollar, that's big news, man. That is big freaking news. So a lot of investors are looking for a safe haven currency, which is gold, right? So the more money, the more investments that they put into gold, the more the price of gold will continue to rise. And this is the price of gold right here. If you guys didn't know, you're trading gold versus the US dollar, right? So this is the amount for an ounce of gold there. So yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen with this monthly candle. We only have till tomorrow. So man, if we close above this, it's gonna be pretty crazy, because we don't have any data either to the left hand side. So it gets a bit challenging now to trade gold without those ranges. But yeah, so anyway, going back to pound yen for the monthly. So it looks like this monthly candle has created a bottom wick and now is looking to reflip bullish here. So we discussed pound yen already a couple times this week on this monthly candle, that we could potentially be creating a bottom wick to continue on up to retest these highs. So this is something that we may be able to see in GJ over the next day or two, that we get to 172 here. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame is engulfing the last 1, 2, 3, potentially the last 3 bearish candles, right? So you have this nice little uptrend as well on the weekly time frame, making nice higher highs and higher lows. Let's scale down to the daily time frame. So of course the daily's got to throw us for a loop, and looks like we did not close with any top wick on this daily time frame yesterday. Now we all remember GJ had a beautiful push up yesterday, had a daily celery play as well here, and yeah, pushed up pretty nice, but I guess ended up closing with no top wick here. So right at resistance too. You have a couple resistances right here, and we closed with no top wick. So that makes it a bit interesting here for us today. Looks like we pushed up right away like we normally would, right? And now we're pulling back down. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, see what that's all about, see what that wick is. So 4-hour time frame, you have a support. All right, got a support right here. You have a resistance right here. And if you look at this support and this resistance lines up pretty well with this support and this resistance, right? So nothing really here until we get a breakout. Pretty bearish, I would say, being that we did close with no top wick on this daily time frame. But if we do reflip bullish and push above, that'll be breaking 4-hour highs. So that we'll be able to figure this out on the lower time frames, right? So let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's see what that looks like. You have a resistance right here. But you're probably gonna end up using this one right here, and then supports are right down in this area, right? So 1 hour time frame is a bit choppy. I think if we can get a close below these levels, we can continue down. Every time we got a close below, looks like close below, push down, never close below, so pushed up, close below, continue down. Close below, continue down, closure below, continue down, closure below, continue down. Yeah, so this is going to be our level here. So we'll look for sells below here today, and we'll look for buys above these highs here. You got about 50 pip range at that point, and then above that you have even more clean traffic. So we'll anticipate this zone right here, and then obviously if we do continue up, we have really clean traffic here today. And then for sells, let's take a look. Almost every time we close below, we continue down into these ranges here. So yeah, probably look to fill these ranges over here on gold. I mean pound yen. Yeah, that looks right. Perfect. All right, cool. So yeah, that's gonna be the day. Not much really happening, right, in this range here. Once you come on down now, at this point, you run into a lot of choppiness here. All this no bueno, right? So maybe gold could find support and continue up. If not, we'll look to take sells below 163.022. All right, so that's going to be the deal for GJ today. So you got buys above here and sells below here, and then pretty clean traffic, right? With GJ today, if we do take sells, I will attempt runners. I don't think I'll close partials or anything. Probably look to maybe go risk free at this point, and then maybe close some partials down here around like 60 pips today. So yeah, that also breaks the daily low, so it's perfect, right? It lines up perfectly. The lower time frames to the higher time frames, right? When things start correlating like that, then you could be sure that, all right, you know, our levels are straight. Look, our levels just happen to be sells below the break of the daily low, right? We didn't look at this, right? We were on the 1 hour 30 minute, and we looked left for ranges on these time frames, right? And what do you know, they just happen to correlate with the break of the daily high or the break of the daily low. And we know that when we start breaking highs or breaking lows, that's where price is gonna gain you're gonna see a push on price in that direction. So that lines up perfectly for me. Anything that goes on in this range today, I can care less about. I'll be looking for the break of these highs, break of these daily lows to continue up or down here today. Sound good? Sound good? Oh, good now? All right, bet. Any buy stops? No, sir. Maybe they were using this range to accumulate. Morning, Sam. What up, brother? Morning, morning. But sweet, yeah, it's gonna be the day here today. I got my Celsius try this out for the first time. You guys ever drank this stuff? Not bad. Not bad. Hey, 229. Yeah, I don't know, man. I was in Target last night and just decided to grab one, see what the hype was about. It's a little strong. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more watery. Oh, cheers, man. Cheers, Scott. What flavor you got? I got a watermelon. I actually had the kiwi strawberry or kiwi something in my hand, but I put it down and went for the watermelon. Drinking one right now. My man. My man. Let's peep the Discord here. Chat, if you guys aren't in our Discord, we do have a free Discord. The link is in the description. You guys can come in here and vibe out with us. But I did want to take a look at what's going on here. This is my trade on GU. Oh, GU, baby. GU. Okay, so looking for buys right there. Gotcha. So not sure if GU is bullish or bearish on the day. Looks pretty bullish to me. Yeah, looks pretty clean. Look what happened when you had so I don't know if this was bullish or bearish, but look what happened when you broke above. You waited for that range 2 support, next candle popped, right? So that would have been my trading candle right there, because what am I doing here? I just hit the buy button. Close that right away. Anyway, yeah, if you notice, yeah, I'm not in buys, guys. I hit that by mistake. You had this push up, you had a support form right here. Next candle flipped and pushed up pretty nicely. So that probably would have been my position on GU. But how did it play out? Did it pump up? Show us the aftermath. Do. Make sure there's the sparkling though. This one is a sparkling watermelon. Yeah, I don't know. No, but I had crypto Celsius before and they went bankrupt. Just reminded me. Damn. That's funny. Good morning, Anthony. What's up, brother? Wow. Yeah, I clicked the buy button by mistake. Good thing I closed it. Alright, anyway. So, it looks good to me. 4 hour. Hey, if it looks good to Sam, it looks good to me, man. Currently, I'm trying to learn price action psychology. Okay, nice. Still a beginner. I don't know many things, but I'm trying to learn. Yeah, let's do it. The best place to be. Appreciate you, Sam. Dropping nuggets of wisdom. Let's go. Oh yeah, free knowledge, free knowledge. Yeah, I used to trade like when I first began trading. I used to trade like this. Do I have Telegram up here? I gotta show you guys, man. Alright, this girl right here, she was my first mentor ever in trading. And well, now I just show her pics of my kids, but she, oh my god, this girl really guided me. But yeah. But this chick, she was my first ever mentor. And she taught me a lot of the basics. But the way she trades, see this is my old charts, man. Start taking trades off of these moving averages, key levels, all that good stuff. Hey, oh, GJ, see? GJ back in 2021, July. AUD USD GU, see? Trust me, chat, I know. I've traded them all. She's a big baller, though. Big baller, man. She's been in the game for a minute. She was making 10K days years ago. But this one I was starting to get ripping. But I'm trying to find you a chart is the point of. I had charts that look just like yours. Yeah, see, here's one of my charts. GU, okay. Yep, there you go, GU. See, I was looking for the same thing. Push back up, bounce back down, right? Trying to anticipate the moves. Trying to anticipate the moves. You know, using Fibonacci. I used it all, chat. Trust me. I've been there and done it. Been there and done it. Right, but the system I use now has been the best for me, the most profitable for me, and the most like understanding for me, you know. These are my GJ. Look at this. I didn't even know what limit orders were. Quick question about that. I only do market execution. If I want to activate a buy or sell, which option is that? I was a newbie too. We all start with no information, right? But yeah, this girl really helped me out. Loading money into accounts. Yeah, good times. But yeah, anyway, I just wanted to show you guys a couple charts. What's this? Look at this, trading plan. Provide a full-time living income by consistently withdrawing profits from my trading account on a weekly and monthly basis. Daily 4-hour 15 market structure. I was using the 50 and the 200 EMA plus the Fibonacci. Trading all these pairs. Risk management, 3 open trades max. Trend direction, key levels of structure, price action. I was always more focused on price action, but structure and fibs were my exits. Yeah. Pretty interesting, huh? But anyway, going back to this chart right here, it reminded me of her because that's kind of how she likes to trade. What up, Johnny boy?
Good morning, brother. How we doing?
Reminiscing.
Oh shit. Third.
Oh, where'd you go, buddy? Oh, hold on. But yeah, that's what this chart reminded me of her. So figured I'd show you guys. Doop, doop. I didn't even know how to take out a limit order. Yeah, there you go. Same thing. See? Push down or push up. Little channel. Crazy. Wow. Yeah, February 19, 2020. She's been doing it big. Shout out to Angelica if you're watching. I'm not sure if she tunes in, but my first mentor in trading who I'll be forever grateful for. Oh, snap. Wait till Tandy gets on here. This was the harmonic scanner used by IM Master Academy. Shout out to IML. Look at this. Look at this. Joe, you remember this, Joe? They had the entry there. They had the TPs there. They had it all, man. Hey, shout out to IML. They put me on. At least they gave me they showed me that trading is actually a thing, you know. But wow. Memory lane, baby. Look at this. Look at, I had a $100 account. I was fired up. I was pumped. Thanks, I'm getting a little better each day. That's all that counts here, chat. Are you getting better each day? So, nothing here on the 30-minute as well. On gold, let's take a look at pound yen. Nothing yet. So yeah, just waiting. Gold does not want to break out of this range here. What'd you say? I can't hear you.
I said fast.
Yeah, that's not gonna cut it for me. No closures above just yet here, chat, so we're just waiting. Chances are gold messes around in this range until 8:30. My fellow London Spartan warrior. Yeah, Anthony. Hell yeah. GU called went yesterday. Oh, wait. Yeah, his GU he called went crazy. Okay, so must have pushed up then. Very nice. Wow, imagine you still in a long on price. Oh yeah, thank God I closed that, right? I was going to grab my Zoom tools, and I was like, boop, and I hit buy by mistake. So closed that right away. How long have you been trading? Since right around that time, 2019, 2020. Hey, I was fired up, man. 24 cents. Look at the lots I was using. From 0.01 to 10 lots, man. Incredible. Okay, I actually just left the job I started today. There was no way I could possibly do that for 40 hours a week. Yo. Especially when she was showing me stuff like this. Nick, which would you say was the biggest change that made you profitable? Great question. The biggest change that really made me profitable was me deciding to get over my old ways. Get over just looking at it for the money, looking at it for try to get rich quick, and really hone in on the craft. And more importantly, when I started listening to a lot of stock traders podcasts with these guys who have been trading stocks for years, like longer than I've been alive, and they worked in big firms down in Manhattan and Chicago, and they really, because in Forex you have a lot of just junk out there, right? Especially on the internet, especially on social media. People make Forex seem like it's like this thing that's so easy to do and that you could get rich extremely quick, and that, you know, it's all about Ferraris and Lamborghinis and penthouses and all this crazy stuff. So naturally our mind attracts that. We want that stuff, right? So we get deceived, is probably the best word to use, by what trading really is. And these guys, they showed up at the office every day to trade as professionals, and something just clicked for me about how this is meant to be taken serious. This is meant to be looked at for the long haul. And is what I'm doing right now gonna make me consistently profitable for years and years and years to come? And at that time, this was probably like 2 years ago, I was just clicking buttons. Like, if this buy looked good, I would enter in this buy. If the sell looked good, I'll enter in the sell. Not really having an actual foundation, just still trying to just chase a bag, right? And then, you know, I got serious and I said, the whole shift of mentality of being a professional and not being an amateur anymore, and really getting disciplined and honing in on one system. And once I did that, and that was probably like a year and a half ago, I spent the next year being a student to the game, a student to this system right here. And, you know, I had some F-ups along the way. Like, along the way, I had to keep chiseling, keep chipping away, because I would find myself taking those impulsive moves, or, you know, like maybe take a loss and then all of a sudden just going, you know, losing all logic in my mind and trying to take entries and trying to take multiple trades and all this crazy stuff. And once I really honed in on being a professional and taking away all those amateur habits, that's when things started to click for me, right? When Raja said, hey, focus on taking 1 to 2 trades a day, don't over risk, don't over trade. Those are things that I started taking steps in the right direction. And these streams as well have really helped me be accountable too as well, right? To my plan, my system, and not deviate from it at all. And you know, that now that I've had a year or so of experience in back testing the system, you know, first year was learning the system. Second year was, you know, sample sizing it, watching how it actually works in live markets and taking trades based on that. And then now I'm extremely confident in that system. I know it works because I've worked it, and it's very easy for me to be disciplined at this point, because I've already went through those hiccups and already went through those mess ups and impulsiveness, and it's just been super honed in, you know. Plus I have kids, you know, which really helped me take things to the next level about just being mature, right? Being a mature trader, not being immature, not being a little immature boy in trading. You know, as a man, you got to provide too. So that really helped me mature and stick to what I know works best here. So yeah, you don't want to be immature, and you know, this capital is your fuel, right? And you need to treat your capital with care. And that's one thing I wasn't doing, is I wasn't treating my capital with care, right? I was just blowing it stupidly, right? So stupid, right? Just blowing accounts in days, right? $1,000 accounts in days. And you know, the pain, there's a lot of pain in there. So I don't want to feel that pain anymore. So that's kind of what what helped me change and really what helped me get to the point where I'm at now. The notebook pick hits different. Yeah. I found my first notebook for trading the other day, and I was mind blown at how far I've came. Yeah, man. I have some other stuff here as well. That was a good notebook. Nice to look back. Morning, guys. Morning, KinFX. Must be proud of yourself, Nick, where you come from. It was a dream at first, right? Yep. Hope we'll all be profitable soon. Yeah, man, you will. Just go back to what I just said, right? Don't be immature. This game, man, the immature people get chewed up and spit out in this game. The unprofessional, the immature, the people who just can't wait, you know, they deal with greed, and it's just, there's many things you have to go through and many emotions that are going to come out of you. But yeah, I think this stream will really help you guys, because that's another thing. The stream, like I was plugging into Don's stream and Raja's stream, and really Don helped me become super disciplined. Like the book, the Forex Mindset. I'm so impressed with Don, right? Because he's a young kid and he checks all the boxes, bro. When it comes to being a professional trader, all the habits, all the little nuances that professional traders carry with them, he possesses them. And I really became a student of him, and you know, it's paid off big time. So shout out to Don Vote. I think he's talking about your UJ longs from the old screenshot from 133. What broker were you using back then? Hugo's way. Sheesh, overslept. It's all good, Green. It's all good. Bro, what do you think about GU? Buy before the news. Bro, can you talk about trades? Diamond Gems, yeah, Mooseville. It's almost like everyone has to go through that to respect the game unless you listen to people like you. Yeah. Yup. And even when you do listen to people like me, you still kind of, you know, because I'm here in my home, right? You're over there in your home. So I could say one thing and you could almost agree with it, but still go against the other way. Like there was times where Don was like, we didn't get a candle close above, I'm not in. And I'd be thinking, dude, we're bullish, I'm getting in this. And he'd be like, we got no bottom wick, I'm not in. And I'm like, screw that, man. This candle's taking off right now. I'm getting in this thing. And what do you know? I go like 4 pips in profit. And boom, we break the lows, make a bigger bottom wick. I get stopped out. And I'm just punching the air thinking, why? Why didn't I just listen to the teacher, right? And yeah, you're going to have to make those mistakes along the way. Hopefully you don't have to make them for too long, though.
Yeah.
This thing's not bad.
If you really want to change your trading and change your trading career, definitely start learning how to become a professional and start becoming that professional. That help you out tons. Yeah,
man. Being a pro, that changed everything for me.
Because now you're becoming a professional trader, and professional traders are successful traders.
Yep, and they're long term. They stay in the game long term. Okay, cool. Should I keep my sell stop? First trade hit TP. Yeah, shout out to Angelica, man. Look at this. Look at this. Telling y'all, man. I was fired up about this. Any blue, I was pumped. And look at that, GJ. Good old GJ. 404. That was probably 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Insane, man. Have not scrolled up on this chat ever, I don't think. Long Money Luke. See that? Gold. So when I first got introduced to gold in IML. Simple rules that will pay. Don't trade just to trade. See that? The opportunities you will see in the market and the ones you will secure profits in all depends on the entry and be willing to take opposing lot sizes. Look at divergence, candles, MACD. Who's ever used the MACD? I didn't know what the hell she was talking about. Okay, cool. I'm gonna do that now. I had no idea what she was talking about. 9 cents. 9 cents, man. Y'all willing to make 9 cents for a little bit? Look at this. Oh, this is a buy stop. I started watching old Raja streams when Uncle Ted was in the Zoom with him. Yeah. That was a minute ago. But damn, man, shout out to Angelica, man. She really, look at all this. Look how much she helped me in conversation. We would jump on Zoom calls, all that. There you go, Zoom. Trading in the zone. All right, enough reminiscing here. Let's get serious. Wow. Look at this. I'm so happy and grateful now that I am earning over $25,000 a month. It's done. Good old Hugo's way, baby. Wow. Very interesting. Anyways. Remind me to show this to Tandy when he comes through. Cause that's too funny. This, yeah, that app, remember that app? Bro, where's my shout out? Oh yeah, shout out to Anthony Fernandez who called me in 2016 maybe and said, yo, you want to start trading? And I said, trading? What's that? Oh, we trade candlesticks in the markets, blah, blah, blah. I was like, absolutely not. I'm not going to be good at that. And at that point, I was super, super committed to building my other business that I had. So I was just locked in, laser focused. Oh, but Nick, it's not going to create a bottom wick. There you go. So maybe now I'm Don and you guys are me. And soon you guys will learn and become me. And I'll become Don and withdraw $90,000. All right, cool. Yeah, sorry about that. I just wanted to show you guys some of that stuff, especially after this pick right here. That pick took us down a rabbit hole. All right, your story is similar to mine, brother. Learning from Raja and Ted, and then discipline from Don. I just don't live stream. I like your ways, mindset, so I will be tuning into you daily. Keep it up. Oh, thanks, Carlo. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, sounds pretty similar to me. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Yeah, Raja put me on, man. He once I took that 5-hour course that Raja had on YouTube for free. Dude, that changed everything for me. That really got me into candlesticks and then market fluidity and then trading with him. But then Don really refined it and, you know, help me get off those edges and round everything out. So that was a great experience with Don. Morning, Jay.
Morning.
Good morning, brother. How are you?
Morning, Jeff.
How you guys doing?
Very good. Reminiscing
of a good day?
Yeah, reminiscing about my first day's trading.
Oh.
I was
the loss of this or what?
I was showing them in my Telegram. I still have the messages from. Check this out. Using the harmonic scanners.
Jeez.
So this girl right here, she was my first mentor in trading, helping me out. And then look at this.
Harmonic scanner.
Look at this. Where is it? Yeah, remember this app?
I never used that. What is it?
That was honestly, I can't remember. I just remember using it. I can't even remember what it was. Calculate your risk and stuff.
Oh.
It's like a bootleg version of
Magic Keys.
But yeah, we're just going through here and taking a look at different stuff. Anyway, I gotta look at this. Up 24 cents, down $1.
Hell yeah. It's the first win on the market right there.
I gotta message her.
You know, everybody doesn't like winning like $1 or $5, but people don't understand that over a long term. If you can make $5, you can make $500, you can make $5,000.
Exactly.
500,000.
Yep.
It's all basically perspective, but nobody wants to make $1. But mind you, if you make $1 at the casino, everyone's like, yeah, I made a fucking $1. But here they're like, oh, it's just a fucking $1. God.
I'll hit her up and say hello. Now we don't really talk about trade. Now I actually mentor her a little bit and send pics of my kids and stuff to her.
And you're like, yeah, there's no harmonic scanner that way.
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, she's coming to Tampa, so we're probably gonna link up.
Nice.
But yeah, now we be talking, and I be putting her on with our stuff. So
nice.
Pretty interesting.
Bro, we're getting into some show here, bro. It looks like China.
I know.
Russia,
I seen that.
Teaming up. Oh,
yeah.
Boy.
Yup.
It's not
Light it up.
Don't sound too good.
Bro, we're
not
about to
for
go
us.
into it, bro. We're about to go into a money war here.
That's honestly that's really what's holding us together, is that all debts are paid in USD.
Mm-hmm.
And now once that's gone, I mean, shit, tough.
Let's make sure we throw Joe Biden in the front lines, you know, just because he's the fucker who did it anyway. So we make sure he takes the bullet to the head first.
Him and his regime.
Him and everybody in the fucking White House.
Oh, nice buys, Red FX. So this was in London session, yeah. Damn, I missed gold. Had my zone wrong. All good. Nice. Very nice.
Suggest everybody here, you're not prepared for what can happen. Just keep some cash. If you got firearms, keep like some rounds on you. Just things to keep yourself safe. Food and shit like that.
Buy Bitcoin.
It's gonna. I mean, yeah, if you want to. And I mean, if you're an Andrew Tate follower, then you know he's been holding.
That's crazy. What's going
He's
on?
been holding and he's been preaching about it. He's like, why would I trust the fucking banks?
And another big thing is find yourself a way to make money online. Get yourself some sort of like online business, because whatever they're handing you out at a job these days is not gonna cut it. It's not gonna cut it.
Bro,
Daily still.
AI is gonna fucking destroy the market. Just the employment. Like, there's so many things now. Like, it's insane. All the things now that it's crazy how like AI just like it's been talked about, but now just in a matter of less than a month they pushed.
Yeah.
And then everybody's into this. Like, you can make art, music, you can write bids for like to work. You can do.
Yeah,
you
man.
can apply to jobs and
I know, dude.
And use the chat, bro.
Facts. It's getting crazy.
You know what I told you about the virtual audio cable so that one hears the other? Bro,
Yeah.
you use that same method. You link it at the chat GPT. It listens to the like interviewee, like the person who's interviewing
Wow.
questions, and then it answers it back to you, bro, like in a script, and you just read it back to them. So if you're applying for like, let's say like a fucking senior engineering job and you don't know shit, right? And they're asking you like, oh, how would I go ahead and, you know, blah, 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 blah. And you're like, oh, okay, let's let it listen. All right, this is how you do it. It just tells you exactly what the code and everything is.
Crazy.
Oh yeah, you just do this. And they're like, oh wow, this motherfucker's really smart.
We need to hire this guy ASAP. Yo, there was one guy, he had 5 engineering jobs that he worked from home. He was getting paid like over a couple million, and he was having the AI do all the work for him.
Dude, I had a buddy here that since last year, the beginning of last year, he does work for Microsoft. He has all his work for the year automated. He just chills at home, bro, and just collects a check. It's
So he does
insane.
nothing.
He does nothing. He just collects a check, and nobody. And then he has like this script that just like types in the like keyboard, just random, just to make sure that, you know, because they have these things like a tracker to make sure that you're actually typing. Fucking Elon Musk did that, so they make sure that you're actually working. Dude, this guy just has like a little thing just pressing buttons randomly.
That's too funny.
That's
man.
what it does.
That is too funny.
Holy shit.
Dude, it's insane.
Yeah, Anthony Fernandez, he just bought a car, and he his salesman was like, hey, can you send us a nice like review? And he had the AI do it, and he sent me the thing. Perfect.
Yeah, dude, AI is the way. And then the funny thing is, bro, so Microsoft came out with their own version of AI, and their version of AI is like has no filter, bro. Like, so one of the engineers was chatting with it, and then the AI goes and says to the engineer, because the engineer's like, you know, I can just hack your system and just shut you down forever, right? Dude, AI goes and he's like, yeah, I want to see you fucking try. You know how encrypted my shit is? And even if you try, I have your, he literally, you can find this on the internet. He's like, I got your full name, I got your IP address, I got your home address, I got your wife, your daughter, and everybody's name. Do you really want me to send the FBI
That's
a
crazy.
terrorist security message from you and give them all your information?
Wow.
Fucking guy was like, what the fuck? This
Damn.
threatened by a computer, bro.
Holy shit. That is
insane.
Wow.
for real.
When I first started trading, I was watching Raja. Don was streaming to like 20 viewers, and people would say, who is this controller FX guy? In the chat. That's how I heard of Don. This was back in 2020. Wow, yeah. That's like us right now, right? How many we got watching here? 35, 40 people? Crazy. Now Don's probably got 2,000 people on there. Amazing. So that's where we're headed. 35 to 3,500. If you guys are new to the stream, by the way, we have a free Discord. The link is in the bio, in the description here on YouTube. If you guys can like the channel, sub to the channel, that would be amazing. We would appreciate that. And come join us, man. We're here every single day, Monday through Friday, doing this, being super disciplined and trading the markets. So yeah, sub to the channel. We cracked 400 subs yesterday. We've been doing this for about 7 weeks, and now we are well on our way to 500 here. So beautiful.
Don grew a lot too from last year as well.
Oh yeah.
Like when we were on, he was only getting like 500, 700 people
Yeah, man.
last year. Now he's got 1.5K right now.
Yep.
Crazy.
You'd see his channel recommended on the side. Jay, I was just saying the same thing in my Telegram yesterday. I was going on a rant. I will die with my guns if they come for them. Just look at history. Yeah, exactly. What happened after Stalin took the guns? What happened after Adolf took the guns? Yup, 100%, Sam. Good morning, George. What up, bro? Made an EA code with the AI for TradingView. Oh. Okay. But yeah, anyway, let's take a look here. Gino, man. Gino killing it. Is Gino on stream? Is he here today? Nice move. He might be sleeping because Looks like he trades the London session a lot. If you're here on stream, say what up, Gino. 75 pip runner is nice. Awesome. Yeah, it looks like London was pretty good last night. The buys were money. But you know, a month ago we had what? 5, 6 people, 7 people watching. Now we're at 40. So cracked 400 subscribers. So yeah, man, the growth is real. But yeah, shout out to Don, shout out to Raja, man. Those guys, those are big inspiration guys for me.
Yeah.
So yeah, gold just being gold right now before the news. For those of you that rushed into this trade, hopefully you learned a lesson here, right? I'm sure your stops are below the low. That damn YouTube guy is always right. I'm telling you, that's what I would be saying. That was a perfect example of just being immature, right? Just being an immature trader, not breaking your rules, right? If my rule is buys above this level here and I go ahead and I take a buy here, that's breaking my rule. So I should, you know, if you're breaking your rules, you deserve to take the loss, right? So that way the markets can teach you and you can learn the lesson that when I stick to my rules, things work out, but when I break them, doesn't work out as well. But let me remove my stop. That's even worse. Then it gets crazy. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, see how the 1 hour is rejecting now? A lot of rejections here on the 1 hour time frame. So if you do get a close above, then we are pretty clean to push up. But as of right now, we are rejecting. Did we make a top wick on the weekly? No. So here comes the NY Open. I'm sure we're going to break this low, pump down here to the bottom of the range. Not going to be touching anything in this range here today. This is a no trade range for me, my friends. Not going to do it. Ain't going to happen. But NY Open breaking the lows again. Should pump down here. And that'll be fine because we are technically bearish on the day, right? So if we do get a close below, then we could continue to pump down here today. And we will be looking to take trades below this level here. No doubt about it. Yeah, this Celsius joint's actually pretty good. Not bad. Oh, yeah, pump up. That's why I'm not taking Celsius. But gang, hey, appreciate you guys, man. The fact that we cracked 400 subs yesterday, that honestly made my day. I know we didn't take any trades, but the stream yesterday was fantastic because we really got to see some of these things that we be preaching about just happen right in front of our eyes. Unfortunately, some people actually had to pay the price, but for those that just paid attention yesterday and just stayed disciplined and patient, you guys got to see, you know, why we don't take, why you know, things work and certain things don't work, right? And we got to see that live there, and it was pretty good. It got stopped out in some sells after that big push up. Bearish on the day and just thought that the push up was current daily creating a top wick for sure. I was about to take a sell. Look at that. We saved you. You were about to take a sell right there. I know, because you thought, oh my God, NY open. This guy's just talking. He's not even looking at the charts. We're breaking the lows. You know, then you go 4 pips in profit, and now 12 pips in drawdown. So way to stay disciplined there and pay attention, and not take a trade based off your emotions, right? That would have been super emotional, that trade. That's an impulse, and anything emotional. If you want to, instead of using the word emotional, just use the word FOMO, right? You have the fear of missing out, and we all know, and all professional traders talk about it, that you have to get rid of FOMO. You got to get rid of it, because this candle right here, the current candle right now, could do this and I would not have any FOMO. I would not care at all whatsoever if this candle did this. Why? Because my entry isn't up here. My entry is below here. And if we don't get a shot at it, well, it's not my fault, right? It's the market does the thinking for us, right? Don't do any thinking. You already did the thinking by doing your analysis, having your system in play. Now the markets do the thinking. We ask a question, and then the markets answer us, right? We were asking a question. The question was very simple. Can we get a closure above here? That's what we asked the market, right? And the market said no. And then we asked another question on this candle. Can we close above here to take a position? The market said no, right? Now we're asking another question. Can we close below or can we close above? And guess what? We're gonna have to wait about 20 minutes for that answer to be revealed to us. And that's it. Don't complicate it. Don't make this thing more complicated than it needs to be. Rifle loaded, my boy. We're about to go to war. Everyone here, buy gold, silver, and Bitcoin. Yep. Sounds like Robert Kiyosaki. You are the lion, the market is the prey. You wait patiently, let it come to you. Exactly. For those who were here when I explained my National Geographic documentary that I watched, these animals are very precise, right? They are extremely disciplined. And everything that I do, and everything I watch and learn, I always kind of relate it back to the markets. And I was watching this documentary on it was on like bald eagles and lions and stuff, and wolves, but there was also a part where lions were there, and these lions, they have a game plan, right? They have a system. They do the same thing every time. They come to the markets, aka they come to the water hole where all the animals gather, right? And the way I think of it is that's the markets. Those are the candlesticks, right? And what they do is they lay low. They just chill out. And they analyze their market. And they scope out either a baby animal or an older, or like a frail, or even like an injured animal. And they wait patiently in the high grass. And what happens is they have a game plan, and in that game plan, they wait for the markets to start moving, aka the herd. Once that herd starts moving, they pinpoint that animal, and once it's time, they strike, right? Once their entry signal shows up, they pounce on that thing. And it's always like an injured animal or a baby, one who can't keep up with the herd, and they separate it, and that's it. They hit their target, and it works almost 100% of the time for them. But when they go against the plan and there's no herd animal, and they're not looking for a baby, and they're not running their own system, a lot of times they fail, because those gazelles, they are fast, man. So you got to really have a plan of attack when you're going against them. And yeah, this is pretty cool. Kind of relates to trading a little bit. What up, Tandy?
What up, boys?
What up, my boy? How was it yesterday?
Tandy? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chad. Good morning, Chad. Good morning, George. Good morning.
All the beautiful people.
Beautiful people.
All 40 of you beautiful people.
So beautiful.
I think today's going to be a great day for every single one of you.
Yes, sir.
And Tandy, guess what we're pulling out today?
The champ?
No. We will be pulling out. So I'm switching my strategy back to something. So we're no longer going to be trading candlesticks. We're going to be trading the harmonic scanner.
Yeah, I'm out of here.
Yo.
We about to blow accounts today.
The good old harmonic scanner.
Gosh, bro, that just gives me PTSD looking at that shit.
Tandy knows. Tandy knows.
We got NZD on the shark.
Yo, they'd be like, just pick a pair. Pick a pair.
Oh. What the fuck?
Pick a pair and check out the scanner on this thing. I wanted to show you.
And it's like the craziest pairs, NZD.
Bro, the greatest, man. Look at this thing. Look at it. Look how accurate this thing is. Entry, come on. TP3, come on.
Wait, how do you have access to all this? What is it?
This is in a Telegram from my first mentor, my first trader mentor.
Gotcha.
Like, I don't even know what I was looking at there, to be honest. A, B, C, D, man. I was
Yo, just trusting the scanner, you know, that's all I was doing.
Thanks again for your time today. It was very helpful. Hey, how do you get the MACD onto my chart here?
Good times. Not really, but
This looks like a nice
yeah.
setup. Would you be waiting for the MACD to cross back down? Come on, man. Come on, chat. I'm telling you guys, I know about all the stuff. All of it.
It was your first day, but Scott, it was amazing, dude. A lot different from my normal day-to-day life, but overall amazing. It's sales, you know. Sales is sales or failed.
Yeah, it was a good day, Tandy.
Yeah, it was amazing, dude. It's a lot, dude. Like all the real estate lingo, and unfortunately dealing with a lot of people, and they have passed away, so you gotta like probate their will and like all this stuff, and it's out of my day-to-day lingo, but it's easy. You'd be amazing at it, dude. Oh, okay. No. All right, I
Who are you
guess.
talking to?
Who knows? Dude, I don't know.
He just
All I heard you
disappeared.
say somebody about sales. I thought you were talking about Nick.
Whoopi Goldberg, I guess.
I don't fucking know. I don't do sales. Actually, I do some sales, but it's not like that.
You do.
I do.
Dude, I was definitely uncomfortable. I was getting like red in my face, dude. That's how I know I'm growing. No, I gotta be there. So today I'm putting in my 2 weeks at my current job.
I was listening to you, bro. My bad.
Let's just not go back. If you're never going back there, why even get 2 weeks?
I don't
Okay.
I might as well
know.
just burn that bridge and give him the middle finger. And
I feel
say,
bad
"Fuck you."
I feel bad for my business partner. So like, or the guy that I'm doing it with, not my business partner, but
Well, lead the way. Be like, I'm doing this. My finger in the air.
Hey.
You should do the same.
Hey, Tandy. Bro, let him know. I'll be down to try and get some wholesale deals. If he has access to foreclosed properties, I'll bang calls out, bro.
dude, he has
Because-
access to everything, dude. You can do personal loans. He'll do like owner financing. He'll offer cash right off the bat.
Yeah, bro.
He'll post it like every single thing. And their motto is just so cool, bro. They just want to help people. They're like, yo, even if we can't get the sale, just still help people.
The 2 wholesale deals I've done, I made bank, bro. Bank on that shit.
Dang.
So
Like yesterday, yesterday, one kid cleared 18K. So
Yeah, easy. You could easily make $10,000 on a wholesale deal, especially in areas like this in Florida. Easy.
Yeah. Just one of those things. You better be prepared for 90 no's.
Oh yeah, 100%.
99 no's.
Well, you got to read the good old book, Go for No. Have you ever read that?
No, but
check it out. Great book. Great book.
Buy it right away.
For those that are in sales, you got to check this book out. It's called Go for No. And I would also read The Referral of a Lifetime. But Go for No is great, man.
$12 on Amazon. Go for No. Yes is the destination. No is how you get there.
Bingo. Bingo.
God.
Listen to this. Let's say you have a goal, right? And it's to get 2 deals done in a day. So what do you need? You need 2 yeses. So a lot of times people, like, they set a goal, all right, I'm gonna get 10 deals this week. And sometimes, you know, the first day they're hanging out, you know, making calls, maybe they get a deal or 2. They get those 2 deals. Now they're like, you know what, Tuesday, Wednesday, my brothers want to play some golf, you know, I'll hit the golf course and then I'll make up for it on Thursday or Friday. I already got 2 deals, you know, all I need is a couple more, and they slack off. Where you shift this mentality, instead of saying my goal is 2 deals or 2 yeses today, you switch the whole mindset and you say my goal is 100 no's. Because what happens if you get 2 deals in the first 5 calls? Then you basically call it a day, right? So you call it a day, you feel like you've done your job, blah, 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 and that's it. You leave money on the table. But what happens if your goal is actually not those 2 deals, it's 100 no's for the day? Now you got 2 deals at 10 a.m., but you only have 10 no's. So you still need 90 more no's for that day. So what's the chances you can squeeze another deal or 2 out in those 90, in pursuit of those 90 no's? Right? Then now you start to really maximize your day. So for those of you in sales, I would highly recommend going for no. Right? Just like Tandy said, yes is the destination, no is how you get there. Trust me, I've done sales, network marketing, I've done it all. I've gotten probably close to 20,000 no's, maybe even more in my life. And that mindset shift will really make you a lot of money. A lot more money.
Unless you're just trying to get no's and you're like, yo, you want to fucking take this deal, bitch? All right.
Yeah.
No?
So go for no, but try everything you can. You run your system, right? Do your system. So.
I'm excited.
But it's just a little bit different shift of a thought process. So instead of your goal being two deals, right? Instead, it's going to be 100 no's. And you could have 2 deals, but you still got to keep going because your goal hasn't been hit yet. You know, so you can continue going and maybe you get 2-3 more deals. Now, I mean, sales can be just like trading. In trading, you have a system you follow with probabilities based on sample size data. Yep, you could do the same thing with sales, 100%.
Yep, in the conversation, oh shit, it's a bullish flag. It's about to break the high.
Yeah, the 80-20 rule. Yep. The 80-20 rule, you keep breaking it down.
Are you in real estate?
Yeah, Scott's killing it.
He's in real estate?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I need your phone number, bro. I need you to be best friend. That is me.
But all my sales guys and girls, go for no. Check it out. And the referral of a lifetime. Got to read that one too.
I'll add that on the list too.
I'm not going to lie, this Celsius joint, I think I said this like 3 times, it's pretty good. And it's not a Red Bull, which is freaking great. And there's no sugar, dang. But nothing beats excess. Nothing.
Scott, have you ever done tax deed properties, tax lien properties, anything like that?
Scott's killing the game. Any work you and any other company around your contact provide that I will do in India? Tan, you got any India work?
I mean,
Remote
that
work?
could possibly be, because I know they're trying to market like crazy and stuff like that. So
Yo, wholesaling's the way to go. You could do that on your own too.
yeah, and I mean, even what I'm doing right now, I can just do on my own. But they have like their own broker and stuff like that, so it makes it a lot more in-house.
The key with wholesaling is you have to know investors.
Yeah.
You got to know investors because your work is really to find properties and then link those with investors and make a spread, right? If you have a house for 100,000, you know, you want to at least get that home for 80 or 90K and then make it presentable to your investor for 100K so you can make the difference. So you can really make like 20,000 on a wholesale deal.
And
Yeah.
it's not easy, but I mean that spread is easier to get because people are like, oh, well, I'm in a 30-year loan anyways,
Yep.
60-year loan.
Yep.
Like,
and your investor, what he's looking to do is fix it and flip it. So if it's a good deal for him, if basically you're trying to find desperate sellers, people who have to get rid of their house ASAP, and you just throw them a cash offer, and then you email, and this is powerful about having the connections in terms of the investors, because the more investors you have, the more emails you could send out, right? If you could send the same property to 20 investors, you know, most likely someone's going to step forward and take that property from you. And that's the real key, is building up your investors, because if it's a good deal and they say, hey, I could buy this property, I could put a little money into it and still flip it and make a good profit, then, you know, they're going to take that deal from you.
Yeah, that's all it is, dude. It's just getting personable with people and just talking to them like a friend, man. Looking out for their best interest.
Yep.
A lot of people that I was hearing yesterday, they understand like we have to make money as well. So it's not like
Yep.
everyone was asking top dollar and stuff. They're like, I know, like, you guys aren't gonna buy retail. So
Yeah.
yeah, man, I'm excited.
That was your comics push. 820 here. Pushed up pretty nice. So we got news coming in here. This is your comics push right here. 820. Should break the high. The one thing I don't like about 8:30 news is it's like right smack in the middle of our session.
Yeah.
And it's right before the 4 hour. Ooh, Tandy, you have a great personality for it. Just starts sparking conversations with people, yeah. It's all essentially your brand, bro. Yep. Exactly.
Scott, you're brilliant, dude. What a brilliant mind.
He's brilliant. Scott making moves, chat. He's up and coming.
Let's get it, Scott.
Oh yeah. Scott's putting a lot of work in.
Hell yeah.
He's gonna be rewarded.
Determined for success.
Give me a sec, chat. I'm gonna go get another water bottle and stuff. We got news coming up here in 9 minutes. Be right back.
Jay, you get your account back?
What up?
You get your account back?
I've been at. I don't understand why people keep thinking like I lost this shit. I've had it.
No.
It's just not. You
Yeah.
can't just trade it
Is it
yet.
active? Is it active?
No, it's not. It's still fucking frozen.
Damn, dude.
frozen. I know. It's probably gonna be the rest of this week, honestly. It's already a Friday. Oh, tomorrow Friday, sorry, not today. But yeah. If it ain't done by this week, I'm gonna blast Uncle Ted on the internet and make sure he really goes into hiding. I supported you, you lying bastard.
So he sold it to another broker?
He sold it to somebody else is what the news was. I don't know.
Wow.
Yep. SEC came for him in Vancouver, Canada. Put his name, his full name and address on the news. I was like, oh shit.
Wow.
Everybody can go find Ted now.
Is his name Ted?
Yeah, they actually, it's Theodore something. I forgot his last name.
Uncle?
No.
Yeah, because I haven't heard of Uncle Ted in a minute.
Yeah, he's been hiding. He's apparently said a lot of his old friends are the new snakes in the grass. So I was like, damn, so that's a lot to say right there.
Sorry.
When you call your friends snakes, that ain't good.
Nope. What was his name on Instagram again?
Silence in the charts.
Silence in the charts.
Yeah.
We got a pinky promise, everyone. We won't get corrupt. We'll always look out for each other. Come on, pinky promise, everyone. Jay, come on, dog. What the fuck? Come on.
I got you right here, bro.
There we go. All right. Nice. Official. You can't break it.
Can never break a pinky promise.
Nah, dude, that's so messed up, dude.
It's either you keep the pinky promise or you take a bullet to the dome.
Yo, I don't make the rules, dude. I don't make the rules.
That's how we live out here, Tanny.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Don't break that shit, because I will put a bullet in the dome if you do.
Is that a threat, sir?
Oh, it's a threat. You want me to show you the piece too?
Yeah, it's a pinky promise, dude. Can't do it.
It's a pinky.
It's either that or I take the pinky that you promised me with.
Oh,
That's
damn. That's some Italian
If I
mafia.
break the promise, you take my pinky.
That's too light, bro. I want more. I want an arm or something.
Hey, Chad, don't get too excited because gold was up here at one point too. And up here. And up here. And up here. We really got to close above. Really got to close above.
Got his guns on this
Got news coming in 5 minutes here. At 8:20 a.m. every day, it's Comics Open. That's why there's volume. Yes, exactly. Yep. We started watching this. Me, Jay, and Tandy started watching Comics Open about a year ago at this point.
Yep.
It
was always so weird at first. I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Volume at 8:20? What is happening right now?
Nikolovsky's in the building. We will be in buys soon. Yes, sir. As long as we get it closed. You got the news coming in here as well. It's good though. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Boom.
I guess they're pricing the news in now. Four-hour close above here, man. Clean price action to move up.
Amazon going up, dog. No.
Oh, Tandy, stop.
Oh, I'm a stock man now. I'm stocking.
He's a stock boy at your local grocery store.
Oh, we up a whole $1 today, dude. Amazon's on its way up.
All the way up. I got some word. They're talking about us in Don's chat.
What?
Someone said, I was just on another chat and they were talking really good about you, Don.
Hey, what?
They ain't give us no free promo though.
Talking about you or Don?
No, they said that they were in another chat. They were on Don's stream saying they're in another chat, and then the guys were talking really good about you, Don.
Gotcha.
Yeah, we talk good about everyone here. I have a funded account with FTMO. Yesterday I noticed on my web browser, Trade Journal, $99 trade win was on my browser, but not my FTMO journal. I reached out yesterday, said give it time. Checked today, but nothing. Reached out, they showed me the trade that my yesterday's profits went up that amount yesterday. I don't know why, it was frisky. Yeah. What if, oh yeah, very true. What if you didn't catch it? Good thing you noticed.
Yeah,
They might have tried to pull a fast one on you.
Scott's too funny. Just read his stuff on the YouTube chat. Oh, we stay fired up, bro. Markets bring out the fire in me.
Yeah.
Even when I'm not trading, I'm still fired up.
Fire, fire, fire. We got plenty of range here on gold today, gang. If we're going up, we're going up.
My thing is like, why is it struggling right here at the daily high?
Here comes the news. Maybe this is why.
Oh, this is probably it right
Here comes a pop. Pop,
There it is.
pop. Here comes a pop. Once that high breaks, holy. Watch when this high breaks here, chat. Oh, whoa.
Numbers weren't that crazy, but it's good for gold back to the dollar.
That high, the break of that high there activated a lot of people too. Did you guys buy at the closure? Made it late to the stream? No, we did not buy. We never got a closure here. This was the only closure we got, and it's way up here, and news just came out as well. So nothing here for us yet. 1 hour candle still open as well. Don't worry, chat. Don't worry about this range here. Yes, it is a clean range, but we have plenty of clean ranges here today on gold. Weekly flip, yeah, weekly flip. It's getting interesting. Appreciate the likes, appreciate all you guys tuning in. Give us a like, give us a sub to the channel. We're on our way to 500 here today, ladies and gentlemen. We're officially on the road to 500. And then chat, once we get to 1,000, YouTube hooks us up with all these different features. So I'm trying to get there for you guys, so we can have all that working for us. Like the stream, sub to the channel, share the channel. If you guys are getting value, share it on your social media for us, with your friends, with all your trading buddies. Telling you, if this 4-hour closes above here, we're gonna be gone. Struggling. I think they priced the news in a little early today. Is 1979 the cleanest buy entry? No. They're all pretty clean. I mean, the one piece about this range right here is you have a little bit of choppiness from here, right? So, yeah, I would say yeah then. That it is the cleanest above here, yep. In terms of where we are now, yes. Wow, man, a lot of news coming out though about shift from the US dollar. Crazy.
Yeah, Jay was hitting me up with all those things this morning. I'm like at the gym just
Dude, it's cause like I want to prepare people, bro. Like if shit's gonna go down, I hate being the one that be like, oh, you guys didn't know that?
Yeah.
You know,
do I
if I
buy
can
the
try to
yen
help
now?
somebody.
Do I buy the
wanna
yen?
do- What?
Do I buy the yen now?
Bro, I fucking told you to buy gold fucking last year.
No,
Fucking telling you
yen,
to
bro.
buy shit. Fuck the yen.
Chinese yen.
Fuck those guys.
They are the powerhouse.
I'd rather hold gold because they're holding gold. Russia and China and Saudi Arabia are all holding gold.
Yeah,
That's how
exactly.
their currency's gonna gain value. So if you want to
Yeah.
hold value, just hold gold.
Yeah, everyone's gonna hold gold.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Imagine buying some Chinese yen and then like $1,000 is like 10 billion yen. So when you look at your bank account, it just shows like 70
Wow.
trillion. That's it.
The break of this high activated so many traders right here because they weren't patient. Oh man. Let's get it. I feel today's gonna be a good day. Oh my god, it's gonna be a great day. It already is a great day. Holy magnificent day. If the dollar loses value, the currency that will replace the dollar is some herbs for the depressed times. Yo, corn's gonna replace the US dollar. We're about to be trading corn USD.
Boys, I'm about to head off.
Oh, I hate this time of the day.
Bro, you should just skip school, bro. Fuck
Fuck
it.
school. I know, bro.
You know
Go
what?
on,
Just
like-
pretend you fell asleep and stay on the chat.
Dang.
I
Dude, I literally
overslept.
I haven't been on time for school at once this year at all.
Teachers think he's oversleeping.
Literally.
Yeah,
It's
you're
like-
a senior then, right?
Yeah. I am.
Yeah.
Yeah, senioritis. Dude,
Yeah.
I think I missed like 180 days on my
Hell
senior
yeah,
year.
bro. Senior, bro. At this state, age in the state in the game, you shouldn't care about school anymore. You're already at the finish line. You're like, all right, I'm done.
Just tell your
Honestly,
teachers
bro.
I'm not sleeping in. I'm just waiting for a closure above or below the range.
Tell her I'll be in once I get this trade. Don't start teaching without me.
Tell your teachers plug into the stream, bro.
Nah, I bet I definitely will, bro. If they start talking shit.
Give us a free plug.
Be like, hey, you guys start wanting to make some more money than just less than minimum wage. Come join my brother on the live stream.
I literally tried putting one of my teachers onto that too.
I don't need any extra money. I'm part of the teachers union.
Yeah, dude.
I got a teachers union.
Like, cool, bro.
Please, brother.
Hey, just wait till happens to your teacher's 401k when the dollar crops.
As I would say, that's what's up.
That's
But we don't want to make you any more late than you already are, pal. So
It's all
Go do
good.
your thing. You'll be full time with us in June.
Brother.
Yes, sir, no doubt. Word.
All right, buddy. Have a
Alright,
great
yeah.
day. We'll see you
Great day,
later.
y'all.
Peace.
Hey, my man.
Peace. Have a good day, chat. Catch y'all tomorrow.
Peace, homie.
Peace.
Johnny boy, man. Can you guys imagine being in high school trading these markets with this stream right here, man? Come on.
I would love it, dude. That feels so cool.
Let me show you guys a picture of my brother John, because I promised you guys I would yesterday. It's my brother John. Beginning of his trading journey. He'll be able to look back at this pic. This was 2 years ago. 15 years old. This picture will be legendary in the future. Legendary. 17 years old, been trading 2 years now. Well on his way to becoming a millionaire by 20.
Bro, that's what I was hoping that kind of picture was gonna pop up, dude. Like, even a thumbs up right next to the screen or something.
Classic.
That's awesome, man.
Classic. So
My
shout
girl
out
has a
to
picture of
John.
me too, and I'm sitting here crying. It was like one of my first weeks. It was like, wow, you can see the tears just crying.
Yeah, man. I think we all have one of those pictures. I'll hang mine in my office one day, yeah. I'll show you guys mine. I got a pic like that. Let's find it. Might be in my favorites, might not. The year was 2019.
It's crazy how time just flies.
Flies, man.
Seriously.
I was just looking at my throwback picture like you had, and then you just see my ass with like a little laptop there. And then I look back like a year, 2 years later, and then I got 4 monitors up. Then I look like another year later, I got a 43-inch up.
Big
Life's good,
screen.
life's good. Always pushing forward.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is mine right here. Right here. Studying the game for the first time. Dollar and a dream. Dollar and a dream. December 5th, 2019. Best 2 sources of income are residual and investment income. I could teach you how to make both. Classic. And even my shorty was starting to learn how to trade with me. My wife was learning. Look at a notepad. She was taking notes and everything. Classic. We both came to eat. Yeah, man. 2019. Anna said, I ain't playing. I'm learning this thing too. How do you zoom in on this? Can you zoom?
Alt F4. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that.
Can't read it. Classic. Bowl of frosted flakes. Don't get much better than that. Tandy.
But man, dog.
Look at that rejection. Holy. Sell's coming into play here, I think. Beautiful rejection there. About to break the 4-hour low here. Daily candle on its way back down after breaking the high. Wow. But we still gotta clear out of this range. Nothing's gonna happen for us in this range here today.
Man, look at that hour.
Yep. This is another way I used to trade here as well. See that? Off a trend line, baby. Shout out to Swaggy C. Swaggy. Hey, here's another one. This one I really started taking things serious. I was really honing in at this point. This is August 26, 2020. This is when my man Green first started hitting me up. Yo, what are you trading, bro? Are you trading Forex? Forex? I've heard of it.
That sounds just like Green.
Forex?
Yo, is that Forex?
Just put my picture in the Discord. Oh, let's check it out. Goat pics. Good morning, Daniel. What's up, brother? 37 watching, 37 likes. Looks nice. Hey, okay. 38 likes. Appreciate you guys, chat. Really. Seriously, I love you guys. We're going to get a wick fill here or what? We got a couple more minutes, chat, and then we may get positions. Come a long way. I was hopping up the other side, fake out. I would love it. Green. Are you trading Forex? See, Green, for some reason Green wasn't answering my calls for like 4 months prior to that. But then once I told him, yeah, I am trading Forex, man, every time I called, it didn't even ring twice. Yo, he was right there, man. Greenery. I love you, Green, my boy. Green used to pick me up every day for high school, bring me to school. Don't say cat. Don't say cat. You capping. Let's take a look at Scott's pick here. Oh wow, look at that. Scotty boy in the trenches.
Damn, my man had no seat back then.
Yeah, he didn't even have a seat.
Way, bro.
He didn't even have a chair.
He didn't even have a chair to sit in.
Wow.
These charts, get on my knees for these charts, bro.
September 20th, 2021. Look at it, he proposed. He done married the game. he married the game.
He's like, the life chose me.
Word.
So
Love it, man.
He's risk life.
Is that a mohawk? You have a mohawk?
He had a little faux hawk going or something here.
Nice. I thought that was you. I don't know. I was looking at
Scotty boy.
My man
Hey.
said, yo, is that it?
Chat, if you guys got some of your first pictures, let's see them. Let's see some of your beginning days. I showed you guys mine. Let's see yours now.
Don't you have that picture of me crying in front of the chart?
Classic Scott.
That's the classic picture.
Everyone puts their pictures down. I want to post mine. I first started, I was flat.
Tandy.
I want the
You're laughing at.
Tandy, can we tell him about the moment?
Nah, that one can't live right now.
Not yet.
No,
Not yet.
we're gonna do a movie on it, bro.
It's gotta be a I'm gonna say it like this. There's gonna be a moment when everyone's kind of in the trade, and then Tandy's gonna be still in this, and then I'll be like, and then it goes up, and I'll be like, you know what? Let me tell you something about this guy right here.
Tandy had his breaking point.
Yeah.
I believe
breaking point.
not just in trading, but I believe if you're gonna try and be successful in life, or you are gonna be successful in life, there's always gonna come a point, and you may have multiple points where this comes, but there's always that one defining moment where you're on the brinks of quitting or continuing on, right? Surrendering to your dreams and goals, or pursuing persevering towards those goals. And everyone's gonna have that defining moment. And I remember when Tandy had his, and it's amazing to see where he's at today.
I think the main part about it too is everyone needs to experience that, because it puts you in a place of extreme ownership of yourself.
Yeah.
You are responsible of the next step, no matter what. Do you want to keep on going? You're going to succeed. Just keep on going.
Exactly.
If not,
Consistency.
find something else. Yeah. But
Yup.
take that ownership. It is you. The system's already in place. It works.
Yup, exactly.
Don't be blaming people for your bad trades, or assuming that there's a shoulder to cry on when you didn't even pay the guy. I'm just gonna put that out there.
Yup.
If you don't pay for the shoulder to cry on, don't expect the shoulder to cry on when you lose.
Yeah. Now you guys got me looking through my pictures. Who's hungry?
I'm starving.
Yo, come on. You know what these are? Raviolis.
Hey, ravioli.
Yo, with vodka sauce. Damn, son.
Oh my god.
Green's hungry now.
What? It's ravioli with vodka sauce on pizza.
You can show her again. Look at that.
No. That is insane. We gotta do that.
Chill.
Ravioli
Green's gonna get hungry.
on pizza.
The other day we were talking about the whole journey, right? Remember I was telling you guys how I used to drive home late at night? It's funny because a picture actually popped up the next day, and it was a picture of that I took late at night on my way home, and I found it funny that it popped up. This was the pic, right? Every day counts. 2:42 a.m. 4 years ago. March 26, 4 years ago. And we were just talking about that, weren't we? You willing to pay the price for your dreams? If you are, they're going to reward you. Getting money ain't nothing new, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
Hey. We getting right over here like some done.
Getting money ain't nothing new to us. Hey, chat, look at this.
Dude, that picture. Yo.
I used to go speak in front of people, teach them about personal development. Good times. My wife was there with me. She would speak as well. What up, Sammy boy?
What up? I didn't want to interrupt. How you guys doing? You guys are going through old pictures, man.
Yeah, send us a pic in the Discord, bro.
Thought you said
Dude, I got a lot because okay, so when I first started trading, I was 18. I'm 21 now.
Oh wow.
So, the amount of that I've aged, I mean, yeah.
My man.
Physically, you know what I mean?
Uh-huh.
I used to not even be able to grow a beard. Now I gotta whack that shit off.
Whack it off.
Wow.
This where the dream really. I went to a gentleman's house, and that was his pool. And this was the guy who really made me believe in myself that anybody could be successful. Because at one point, this dude was a gym teacher, and then man, he built businesses, became successful. When I went to this guy's house, man, oh my God, my whole life changed. Whole life changed. All right, well, we have the close coming up here pretty soon.
Wow, I even got pictures from when I was using Thinkorswim, bro.
Oh, I got the pick of green, but I can't show you guys that pick. Can't show you guys that yet. We need at least 1,000 subs for that.
Man, what is mine? I'm trying to find the first one.
This was my motorcycle that I had. Gixxer 750, black and gray.
Beautiful.
Yes,
Fire.
sir.
I love a bike.
Had a lot of fun on this bike.
I hurt myself.
Lot of fun. Lots of fun.
I have too much fun, bro.
Way too much. You don't even know, chat. You don't even know. Look at this candle. Holy. We were riding deep, man. We'd be deep back in the day. Riding with some crazy MFers. Hey, yo, green. There's your boy. Snow on the ground. Tandy ain't never seen snow. Tandy, you don't know about that snow.
I've seen it one time. Just one.
I've seen it once.
We're gonna go to North Carolina. Well, it's not even gonna be snowing, so I don't know. I probably won't see it again ever in my life.
Hey, yo. Probably not.
Nah,
you will. When we go to Aspen.
See it up there.
We're gonna take a trip. We're gonna take a trip when after we crack probably like 1,000 subs.
Athens, Greece. We're gonna go to.
No, Aspen, Colorado.
Oh,
Colorado.
oh, close enough. Same thing.
No.
This is
This smart.
this is me doing a little dream building back in 2014. They wouldn't let me drive
Damn,
it.
look at that boy. That boy
Looks good on you, brother.
Sheesh, look at him.
Yeah.
Got the chubby face and all going on.
2014, June 2nd. My mentor told me you gotta go touch your dreams, man. You gotta go smell that interior of that car. You gotta put yourself there. So we used to do that a lot.
He put himself there.
Yeah.
That's actually sick. The young boy Nick.
Young Nick, yup. This was my Honda that I had. K20 supercharged. This thing was insane. Insane. Oh, we gotta pick a young Chris in here too. Your market's professional. A young pick of young Chris. Where's he at? Where's Chris at today? Young Chris here? Here. All right, enough picks, man. Let's talk about these charts. So we got a 4-hour close coming up here. Looking pretty bullish on the 4-hour time frame. So 1 hour looks like it's gonna close above this zone here in 2 minutes. And then we'll see what we got going on. We cleaned this whole range out, so we have room for a nice wick fill at this point. As long as this candle can close above the zone here, I think we're pretty good. 4-hour candle closing pretty strong bullish. 4-hour low is down here. So yeah, we're gonna need a bottom wick. And looking to probably spend the majority of this this next 30-minute candle creating a bottom wick. 15-minute creating a support. Very nice.
Oh, Jay, you don't have work today?
Later on. I got a
Nice.
meeting at 12. So
In the
I'm getting it
pen.
in this morning. Got my coffee. I can get my eyes a little low.
All right, so now we got to come down and create this bottom wick here. I feel like I'm watching a movie where they nowadays they be texting in the movie. Like, what's up with that? I'm not trying to watch a movie and read text messages. So I don't ever like to jump right in on a new 4-hour candle. We got it's a 4-hour candle, right? So
Yeah, let me stop reminiscing.
you go through pictures, you'd be sitting there for like an hour. You ever go through the old actual physical pictures? You could sit there
Yeah.
all night doing that with your family. So we need a bottom wick here. And then when we break the high again, I think we're good.
Look at the 15. Would you take the buys from there?
I've seen that we have a nice support there on the 15. Yeah. I mean, it's all gonna be the same high, I believe. Yeah. I would love to see like a celery play here, but I don't know if we're gonna get that on the 1 hour. I think
we test out the low here on the 15.
yeah. I think I'm gonna have buy stops here. Let's see what the stop loss is looking like. Stops are about 40 pips. Below that low, so yeah, I'm gonna have buy stops here at the break of the high.
I really like it.
Me too.
the DXY is just melting off the face of the earth too.
Yeah, chat. Buy stops at the break of the high. I'm gonna keep my stops below this low here, below these lows for now. So we'll redo that once we get activated here. But yeah, I'm gonna keep my stops below these lows, not this low. And yeah, because we could drive up pretty good here today.
That's right where I put my stop too, but I put it there because of the 4-hour bottom, previous 4-hour bottom wick. So
let me just move that up so I don't get spread in. So it's a little bit higher, just take into account for spread here. What'd you say, Sam? My bad.
oh, I said that's right where I put mine as well, but I don't know. I just put it there because of the previous 4-hour bottom wick.
Yes, that's also the previous 4-hour bottom wick. Yep. So that's going to be our safest stop, right below here. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. Everything outside is 30-minute looks pretty clean.
Yeah.
Be right back. So buy stops at 1791. Yep, 17 as of right now. That wick fill is gonna be, let's see, about 40 pips. Ugh. Just creating a bottom wick. Perfect, perfect. See that 30-minute time frame? We never broke the low. 30-minute low is the 1-hour low. You are brilliant. Brilliant. I have good mentors. They make me look brilliant. Oh, GJ closed no top wick there. Yikes. Yikes. Angelica's hit me up. My first mentor. I had to shoot her a text. Respected the 15 low too here. Oh, she's in Tampa. What do you know? Can we get activated here, gang? Let's hope for no slippage. TP is gonna be the wick fill, and then so basically 1974 500, and then 1979. Is she still trading? Yes, absolutely. She's a beast. She just trades and travels with her husband. No kids. Oh, they're living a freedom life. They just moved to Tampa. Eight or 9 blocks from the beach. Oh, she thinks gold's gonna shoot up too. Okay, as long as she's with the longs, I'm with the longs. Do, 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 do. 15-minute candle's gonna close. Let's see how that's closing. We may have a 15-minute celery here. See if we could push up a little bit before the close. Make it a little bit more. Make it a little bit better for us. Perfect. Close above that. Close below. No worries. Not too concerned about the 15. Mainly looking at the 1 hour and the 4 hour here for this trade. Y'all good? Everyone's still here?
Yes, sir.
Chat's frozen.
Nervous.
Don't worry, chat. Stop shaking, man. Stop shaking. We got sample size data on this play right here.
Good, dog. We're good.
Remove. Tanny's like, we're good, man. We're good.
Good. I'm telling you, we're good.
I think Candy's already in.
Waiting on that prey, yes, sir. That's too funny. Hey, if you're new to the stream, subscribe to the channel, man. Take your mind off it and just give us a sub. Give us a subscription. 15-minute celery potentially.
Give us a like too. Make it 40, please.
Word, yeah. We're at 39. Come on.
Yeah.
Give us a like.
Nice, bro.
Make it at even 40. Someone do it. Gone. Oh. Someone took a like away, but I know what you were doing. You didn't think you liked it yet. So you liked it again. And then it went down, but now you went it back up. Thank you. So who's gonna make us 40 likes here today? Who's gonna do it? They're jumping ship. They're going to check out some other streams, see if anyone else is in buys.
They're getting impatient. Yeah, they're like, what's going on? What's going on? It's ranging. Don't worry, about 10 more minutes.
Yeah.
We should be coming up.
Yeah. Break that 30-minute high.
Let me rephrase that. We should definitely be coming up.
Yeah. Oh damn! What's going on?
Nico's having a party.
Am I unmuted? Oh shit.
Nico.
Yo.
My man trades no matter what the situation is. Grocery store, bedroom, he ain't playing. He hungry.
Showing me TikToks over here.
Oh, is that what it
Sound like
is?
you're having a party,
Tick-tock, tick-tock.
Yeah, my bad.
You hanging out with your girlfriend again, Nico? Come on.
Perla.
Bro, yeah, I'm here. I'm active.
The kid's here. He's in the building.
Hey, let me activate this. You called that we're in the bedroom.
There he goes. There he goes.
Oh, she's embarrassed. The makeup.
Yeah. You can't expose. Oh, hey, yo.
Okay.
Oh, man. What a life. That's that trader lifestyle right there. Oh, that's too funny.
Yo, my when I do the Google, what's it called? Google, like, you know how you connect remote? Yeah, remote connection.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Super laggy, so I gotta like, I'm gonna have to use this thing.
Gotcha.
The setup.
The setup, baby. All right, we're respecting that 1 hour low. And we also never broke the 30 low either yet. 30 low and 1 hour low are the same low here. We're waiting on that moment.
That was a crazy little wick.
Yeah, it was. 30-minute candle's gonna close here. Never broke the 15 low either. You see how all these lows are not breaking each other? They're all riding up. You see that? Like a little trend.
Even on the 1 minute. Well, the 1 minute looks kind of good.
The uno momento. I don't even have the 1 minute up here. Nasty 5 minute. Wow. We're looking good. Maybe waiting for 9:30 here
That's what I'm thinking.
to bring in the juice. Give me a sec. We should start juicing up here at 9:30. And if price does want to push down, then there's a high chance that we're not going to break the high, right? So it won't activate us, right? It'll respect that high. If we do end up closing below, then we can definitely switch our bias here, because that would break the 4-hour lows as well, and we can continue on with the daily trend. So we could look to push down at 9:30. We're right at that 1-hour low here. All right, yeah. I'm gonna delete these buy stops. Did we break the 4-hour low? Not yet. Hold on, chat. Not gonna delete them yet. If we break this low, then they will be deleted. Okay, so we've broken the 4-hour low. Deleting those buy stops to see if we can get a closure below. That'll make sense as well in the daily time frame. Daily could start flipping bearish again. And 4-hour lows have been broken, 1-hour lows have been broken, 30-minute lows have been broken. So buys aren't going to make sense at this point. So let's see how we close here on the 30-minute time frame, and then we'll have a better direction. Hey Scott, which flavor do you like of this this Celsius joint? This one wasn't too bad. 12-ounce can for $2 too, not bad at all. The orange one? Well, I'll have to try that one next. They have a tropical one too. Nice. Yeah, I'll have to try those. Pretty good. It's a lot healthier than Red Bull too, it seems like. Certified vegan. Ah, throw it out. I don't do vegan. Beautiful, beautiful. Can we close below? Not expecting a big top wick either on this candle, this next candle. Probably gonna try and, once we can get a top wick to tap into this range here, then that's probably gonna be good for me. We'll enter on the break of the lows, but we gotta get this candle to close below here. Let's go break the low again. I want to see this break the low, pull down, and then pull back up. What do we got here? 2 minutes. Perfect. Breaking the low again. Can we pump a little bit more and then pull back? Probably where I'll go break even, make it risk free at that point, at that yellow line there. All right, perfect. So yeah, chat, I'm gonna have a sell stop here, break of the lows. Stops are gonna be above the range back here, wherever this top wick is. Perfect, perfect top wick. Perfect. Probably look to go risk free right around here. But sell stop at the break of this low. You got NYSE volume coming in. Once we break this low after creating a top wick, we should be good to continue down. Right, previous candle stops are way too high. We're gonna have to use this candle. We're gonna have to keep stops back in the range up here. And yeah. Stop loss is going to be the current candle high. Join my YouTube channel for live gold trading. All subscribers now, real-time trades, blah, blah, blah. Yeah. Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
I didn't see that comment.
That says a lot about you, my friend. GJ 4-hour close. If the 1 hour close above, possible drive up. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. No top wick though, that's the only concern there. That says a lot about you, man. Go into someone else's stream and say, join my YouTube channel. Hey, mods, get him out of here. Destroy him. Is that going to be our top wick here? Guy's gone. He's gone. Yeah, stops are gonna be up here. So this is the position, what it's gonna look like. Stops above this, wherever this high is, that's where my stops are gonna be, probably a little bit above it. And then take profit's gonna be down in this area. I'm gonna look to go break even right around here. The reason for that is because we run into these areas right here. A little bit of choppiness, so might as well make the trade risk free at that point. That's an area where we could reject off of. Oh crap, I wanted to see the name of his stream actually. So we're not in yet. So once we do get in, I'll put that back up.
I need that quarter 2 volume.
Yes, sir. It's coming.
Soon.
Just like that, quarter 1 is just about coming to a close. And we are heading into quarter 2, which means more and more volume. Let's see what these lower time frames are talking about. This is good. This is good right here. We got
Like candy. I'm about to have some beef for breakfast.
You want to see these, you want to see basically this come up, create a resistance at this point on the 5. Nice.
Just put it in a bowl with some milk, pretend it's cereal.
That's it. I'm gonna have to adjust my stop here, so. Stops are about 30 pips right now. Let's see if we can keep pushing up. Oh, now I know why he's trying to plug his stream. He's got like 2 viewers.
He picks the low fruit from the tree. Because it's easy to get.
41
He's
watching
probably not a good trader if he's only got 2
with
viewers.
anticipation of this sell stop being activated. So it looks like that may be a new high here that we're creating. And lemon lime, we'll have to try that one out too. $43 watching, 40 likes. Appreciate you guys, man. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel for us. Appreciate all the love. We're here every day, Monday through Friday for the New York session. So we'll be here for you. Yeah, 15 looks good. 5 looks good. If we can now close back below, have a nice 5-minute fake out. 1 hour is the only sketchy one, you know. We really want to see a close, but may even get a 30-minute seller, which would be very nice, very nice. So yeah, stops are going to be a little bit above this this wick here. About 35 pips. 5. Let's see how the 5 closed. Did we close back in the range? Oh yeah, but no bottom wick. So make sure we're activated.
Dude, it's so random, but my homie said to me, bro, I don't even want to be seeing no women in lingerie no more because they're all wearing it with Air Forces. And I was like, that is so
Damn.
true, bro. I was thinking about that.
That's
Is that a New
crazy.
York thing?
What?
Is that a New York thing?
That's definitely
I just feel like that's everywhere.
Nah, dude, in Florida, the girls are wearing Crocs.
That's Brooklyn right there.
I mean, like, yeah, you got people wearing Crocs and that. Like, up here and that, too. I can't.
Dude, lingerie and Crocs?
Hell yeah. Yikes.
Brooklyn got lingerie and Timberlands.
Yeah.
Or some J's on.
Yeah, or some Jordans.
I liked when they wear them big stompers. I forget what they were called, bro.
Like
What, the boots?
No, not them red boots. Like, what were they? I cannot think of the brand. They're just these massive.
Those are
comfort
those
shoes,
big
bro.
black boots that like a lot of like gothic, I mean not gothic, but yeah, kind of gothic people wear.
Like the Ricks. Oh,
Yeah.
I don't know. They're talking about. Yeah, no, I know what you're talking about. Nah. What? They were like the
moon boots?
Yeah,
There's-
Uggs?
There's a lot of volume right
I
now.
think they were Reebok.
Damn.
Oh, what? What?
No, they were just like these massive shoes, bro. And they were like crazy. I remember like all the females were wearing them.
Oh, the Filas.
Yes. The Filas, bro. The
There you
Filas,
go.
bro. That's what it was.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Those were the balling on a budget shoes, bro.
Those were crazy. Those were outrageous.
Yeah, I never got that style like that.
You could hear a bitch coming to fucking 20 feet. You could hear her coming around the block, dude.
Did you guys ever see those like see-through Skechers that girls used to wear?
No.
They were like all see-through, and dude, like their feet would get all fogged up and stuff.
A lot of volume here. Lots of volume. Holy. Say hi to everyone. Say hey everybody. Okay, go on. I'll see you later. Love you. Careful your hand. All right, I'm not activated yet.
Oh, it just broke the 30.
I guess my stops are a little lower. Yeah, I'm still not activated here. I don't know how. I have my sell stop a little bit lower. Yeah, we should re-break the low. Yeah, for some reason I didn't get
Even
activated.
If we don't, it's about to do a seller.
Should be good though.
So we got 40 seconds left. Yeah, this is coming down.
Oh,
This is
oh.
done.
All right, now I am activated.
Just at least give me a bottom wick on this one.
Even if there's no bottom on the 5, that'll just dump if it just breaks the no bottom wick. Kind of like how I did on the top bearish wick here. Technically, we're bringing all the supports here on the 32, so we have clean range back down to 1960 or even 1956.
Yeah. All right, so we're in some sells here. Stops are gonna be up here. TP is gonna be down here. And that is the trade. We have a new 15, so it might pull up a little bit. But once we re-break those lows, should be good. Lots of volume though, tell you that. Lots and lots of volume. So let's go ahead and mark it up. So 9:45 basically. It's today the 30th. 3:30. Gold sell. We got breakout, previous low, 30-minute full. All right, that's the trade. Our job is done, right? Now we wait. The way we're gonna manage this is I'll probably go risk-free right around these areas, maybe a little bit lower, probably like right around these areas. In a losing situation, the way we're gonna manage this is that if this 30-minute candle closes back above the range, I'll probably just close my full position right there, because if that happens, chances are we'll push back up, right? So if we close below in 10 minutes, above in 10 minutes, then that'll be the case. If not, in a winning situation, probably look to move stops to break even right here, which is about 16, 17 pips in profit. Very nice retest there on the 15. We re-break the lows, should be gone. Should be a goner. Re-break this low. Tink, tink, tink. Oh. Scott, how many of these Celsius do you drink a day? Usually just one word. Beautiful, beautiful. Take a look at pound yen. Nothing there. Get him, get him, get him. How long it took? 2 years. 2 years. Uh-oh. We don't want to break that high.
Uh-oh is right.
Yeah, my stops are a little bit above the high here. We don't want to break this high though. We really want to close below this range here in 6 minutes. Yeah, you had this support here on the 5 minute too. Yeah, because if you close below here, that's also the hourly candle closing below as well. But if you close anywhere above here, then it's probably gonna range on the 1 hour, you know? See that? So it's very important that this 1 hour candle closes below here. But don't get emotional, chat. Just relax. Everything is in place where it should be. And we just gotta trust that. Alright? Don't think. Don't think. Don't think about nothing.
Damn. You want to hear something crazy?
Yes, sir.
So yesterday, I'm sitting here, and it was all over the news, bro. It was like 6 schools around me. They were reporting there was active shooters.
Oh, wow.
Damn.
Today the news comes out. It happened at 20 schools, and it was all fake. Like someone called in and was like making this shit up.
Oh, wow.
Someone's about to get like 10 lives.
I remember back in the
That
day,
is crazy.
they used to call the bomb scares. Remember that? There was a bomb in the building.
Yeah, I've had those.
Yeah,
Like,
me too.
That's so wild now, look, because it's like that. It's just
Caught a
like
shooter.
My boys called it in one time. I was like, you guys are idiots, man.
yeah, the one kid I know, he did. Well, he wrote it into on a stall. Like he wrote something, was like, "Don't come in" or whatever, blah blah blah. And they actually found out that it was him, and then he got expelled.
Oh, damn.
I remember seeing him outside of school, and I was like asking him. I was like, "Where you been, bro?" I was like, "I ain't seen you." And then he told me that's why he wasn't there. I was like, "No chance." He was like, "It was me."
Damn. That's rough.
I mean, that's just like stupid, bro. Why would you even?
I feel like now in this day and age now, if you call like a shooter, it's like different than like a bomb. Cause like, what kid's gonna have a bomb? You know?
Yeah, seriously. What
I would
high
think
school
that,
kid's gonna freaking have a bomb?
You know, but like a gun now is so much more.
Yeah, like that's what I mean. Like that's just like the
You can
story
see
you
it.
hear so much. Like,
I did see that this thing happened in Florida where like this guy came into us like a, you know, it was like a Catholic school, and he was shooting up, and then like these like not even cops, like these guys just with like assault rifles came in there and just took this man down because he only had a handgun with him. So 5 dudes came in there with rifles and like kind of like cops, right? Just kind of got him down.
That's
It's
crazy.
crazy.
yeah,
People
that's
in
crazy.
Florida, people everywhere are taking, you know, taking matters into their own hands because no one's doing shit about it anymore.
Well, I think
Yeah,
it's
man.
after.
Exactly.
I mean, they sit there and they. I'm not gonna get political about it, but with the Uvalde, Texas shooting,
Yeah.
they said the cops sat outside for like 40-something minutes. Like,
Yeah, before they did something.
bro, I'd be running up in there too if I had a fucking kid.
Bro, my kid was in, I'd be running in there with my own fucking gun, bro. The fuck?
I'd run
Take
in there
that
with
motherfucker
bare
out
hands.
myself.
Then
Add one more body to the list.
Just straight Rob Van Dam,
Tell it-
dude.
Telling me like your kid's about to get killed, you're not gonna go after that person.
Oh, hell yeah,
Yeah,
I'd be
like-
in there.
that's what I'm saying. Like, I'm going in bare hands.
All right, we closed below.
Like,
We did close
We about to
below
get
here.
recalled, dude.
So I'm gonna just let this position rock. We closed below. Chances are we re-break these lows, should be gone. So another way we can manage risk here is if this low doesn't break and this candle flips, then we can probably exit the trade. I think that's what I'll do. If we flip here, I'm out. But if we continue pushing down and break the lows, then the trade's still valid. See if we can break the low. That was a bit of a top wick, so now if we break this low, we're gone. If we re-break the high, I'm going to close this position here. Yeah, I'm going to close that right there, chat. Small loss here. Because 1 hour closed a little sketchy, right? Right at support. This candle's flipping, 30-minute close bullish. It gets a little tough there. So instead of taking a full loss up here, we took a, what, 13 pip? 12 pip loss? 13?
I mean, the idea is still valid. You just have to break that.
Yeah, we got to break these lows. If we break the low again, it could be pretty valid, but 5 minute, look at this. 5 minute has a support right there, which we closed at. So I think that's the issue we're running into right now. But if we do re-break the low, I think I'll probably give it a second chance and keep the stops up here.
I'm out of here, boys. I'm gonna get ready for work.
All right,
Later,
broski.
Later, Tandy.
We'll see you mañana, playa.
Yes, sir. You guys have a great day.
All right, brother. Later.
Go kill it.
Peace.
Yeah, my only issue is this 1 hour close. Close right at support, it looks like. It looks like we closed below on the 30, but you know, we're respecting that low. This candle could pop. And you don't want to take a bigger loss than you have to.
It was a good call.
Yeah.
Wonder if GJ will melt from here. It's wicking out a lot up at the top.
I think that 5-minute support is what's really holding price up. So let's mark this up. So this was 12 pips. 12. But gotta keep them losses small, right? But if you guys are holding with your stops up here, I mean, we're still ahead in the trade from the way the 30-minute looks, but if we do break this low, I will probably, let's see what the, yeah, 15-minute celery looks pretty clean. So probably gonna wait for a 15 close below here now. And there she goes.
That's the one out of there too.
So for those still holding, you should be in profit at this point. I closed it, and I'm gonna wait for a close below here. Now we may drive. We may just start driving. Who's still holding? Got back in, nice, nice. Yeah, it was good. Still holding, nice, nice. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with my decision to manage risk up there, because if this trade would have went against us, at least we're out with a small loss. Now we'll wait for this 15 here, and if we can close below this area here on the 15, then I would look to give this trade a second chance here. Stops will be kept above this 15 high. And he's holding. Bowser's holding. Looking to get back in the close of the 15. Yeah, yep. If we get a closure below, then yes sir. Yeah, if we can get a close below this level here, then I'll look to get back in on the 15. We probably would have seen about 13 pips. Probably would have moved stops to break even. I think that was the area, right? Yep. So it would have been a BE trade. But we got 2 minutes for this 15. Still looks pretty good. Looks like a 5-minute celery could set up too. Can we get the 15 to close below? Don't think so. Closure above. Bam. Doom, doom. Got a nice wick fill, but man, above those supports. I got out back at entry. Nice. Little break even. Not bad. Gold is giving me a headache. Whoever's still holding. Yeah, I closed that. Right, you can't trade based off of emotion either, right? The 1 hour candle, at that point we had our zone up here, right? Right here. Was it? So this candle closed borderline, right? Wasn't above, wasn't below. That's why I didn't close anything. But once we came down and made a low, respecting that low and started flipping up, you know, price action is telling you we may go up now, right? And now look at us pushing. So that's the reason why we closed the trade, right? The 1 hour time frame really closed right at support. So in my case, that the market tells me, technicals tell me, price may push up at this point, and that's what we're seeing now, right? Unfortunately, we pushed down a little bit lower, which was like 13 pips or something, but I don't think I would have secured anything there. I think I would have just maybe went risk-free at that point, but yeah, W management. And that's how you manage a losing trade, my friends.
That might be it for me today.
Yeah, I think that's it. That's gonna be the day. That should be the day here. Looking pretty ugly at this point. Let's take a look at pound yen. Same thing. Not looking the hottest. Very interesting. 4 hour coming back up. Daily candles confused. Flipping bearish back to bullish. Amazing trade management, man. Yeah, I think that was well done. Because our full stops are here now. Right? Boom. We would have been tapped out. Full stop loss hit there. Or at least right there on that push. So W on that, man. Like Raja always says, managing risk is just as important as winning a trade. So we took a W on that in terms of risk management. We took a small loss, like a 12 pip loss on that, but that's fine in my book. That was a healthy loss. Yeah, that was a great loss right there. It really was. Right? We had a 30 close below. That top wick, beautiful top wick, broke the low. That's what we do. That play works out 85% of times. So today is just that 15% probability that got us, right? But we didn't take a huge loss. We managed risk on this candle right here. And yeah, that was good money for me. Great risk management today. Thanks for your leadership once again. Through this tough trading period we are in. Peace and love, everyone. Yo, Warmate, appreciate you. Appreciate you. Superb, Nick. Oh, I like that. Superb. Thank you, Mazamil.
Alright, I'm out of here. Peace, Nick.
All right, Sammy boy.
Peace, Nico.
Later, boys.
Later.
Peace, Green. Peace, Scott.
Session.
Peace and muzzle mill.
Jay, you out too?
Peace out, brother.
Yes, sir. I'm out of here.
All right, brother. Have a good day. Sam, have a good
You too,
day.
my man. See you for Friday.
Hey, Sam.
Appreciate everybody. YouTube land. Peace.
Yeah. Oh
Sweet.
yeah.
Sam, if you're around this afternoon, hit me up and we'll jump on a call.
Okay, yeah.
All right.
All right, bro.
Cool, brother. Nico, same with you, bro. If you're around, I know you're with your girl right now, but
Okay.
let me know when you free up and
Okay.
and we'll jump on that call. All right.
Good, brother.
Cool. Yeah, I'm gonna just stick around. I want to see how this 30-minute candle closes. Not gonna take any other entries here.
I'm
But...
sticking with you.
Okay, cool. Wham. Good night from Malaysia. Sleep good. Night. Wow, look at that push. So yeah, we got out of this with a small loss, man. I closed my position right there. Entry was here. Cut that thing right there, man. Oh man. Missed out on that, but if this candle's flipping, you're not expecting this, right? You're not expecting it to push back down. That's not something that technicals will usually throw at you. So for that reason, I was out of there. And now it becomes a mess. We got activated. So we got activated at like 9:44. The one thing I think we could have done better was probably delete the sell stops and wait for this next candle. Right? Because this thing closed bearish with no bottom wick, so we probably would have not even entered a trade at that point. Maybe this 15-minute celery would have took. That's probably the only way we could have took a W here on that push down, but hindsight's 20/20, right? Now we're pushing back up. Superb trading today. Thank you. Kevin Kim. $412. Thank you guys. 412 subs. That's what's up. And look at that pump up. Got some news coming in here as well. Wow, what a wacky 4-hour candle, huh? Those are our original buy stops. Would have activated us, and yeah, nasty. Liquidity grab, yep. Do. There's still potential here though. All we've seen at this level here is wick rejections. If you can get a close above, this will be my last attempt for the day. But you need a candle to close above. I really want to see us push up past these wicks. and then pull back a little bit. I've seen this happen before, many times. But we need to close 5 minutes. 5 minute close above as well, pretty nicely. Hey, XAU Goblin in the house. What it do? What it do, my man? Hope XAU's been behaving pretty good so far on your P&L. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm up about about 4,000 last 2 weeks. P&L looking juicy. I was risking about 4,000 on that trade, and took a $1,500 loss. Yeah, 15. Oh, spaghetti-o. Yeah, if we close back in the range, I'm gonna call it a day here. Call it a day with a nice minimal loss. See, back in the day, I would not want to take a loss here. I would refuse to have a losing day. It was either a winning day or I blow my account trying to get it back. So, you know, now we don't do that anymore, right? It's okay to have losing days. It's okay to take a loss and come back another day. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. What's wrong is when you try and revenge trade and make that loss back without having any clear direction, any clear setups. That's what's wrong. So if you guys are trying to do that today, this is your warning. Don't do it. Don't do it. The only way I'll get in another position is if price answers my question. Will we close above? If we close above, I could take a trade. If not, then the market says no. Price action tells me no, and then I just hang it up. I hang it up for the day, come back tomorrow. I had a break. I'm starting from today. Nice. Oh yeah, I haven't seen you in a while, Mr. XAU Goblin. Nice little break there. It's always good to take a nice break. I remember I took a nice little break before, well, actually in the beginning of the year, in January. I took a nice small little 1 week break. It was good. It felt good to come back. GJ. GJ is clean above here, man. You got London close as well. One minute. Yeah, nope, not gonna get anything here. All right, 30-minute candle closed, back in the range. That is gonna be it for me here today, chat. Beautiful stream today, amazing stream, amazing conversation, amazing risk management here on a losing trade. I'm happy you guys were able to see that. That right there is a good teaching, right? Good lesson right there. So consider that a win. We lost way less than we expected to lose, and we executed, right? We did our job, right? Our job is, we had a NYSE coming up, broke the lows. Our job is to enter that trade, and at that point, we just have one other job, and that's how do we manage our trade? How do we manage it in a loss, and how do we manage it in a win? Today, we just happened to have to manage that in a loss, and it was perfect, right? We discussed how we're gonna manage it beforehand, that if a candle closes back in the range, we were gonna close that position, and it closed right on the border. So at that point, I was gonna stay in the trade, but looking at the 1 hour, it was pretty obvious that we closed that support. And once that new 30-minute candle flipped up, or what was it, the 15? Was it 15? I think it was the 15. No, it was the 30. So once that 30 flipped, it was time to go. Right? So beautiful job today, everyone. Congrats on losing less than expected. And we'll come back at it tomorrow. So we'll get another shot at it tomorrow. Tomorrow we do have some news, I believe. Some price index. Yeah, we got some news here at 8:30 tomorrow. So should be a little bit cleaner tomorrow. Gold's been super ugly this week. But yeah, other than that, appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Thanks for the likes today. Thanks for the subs. If you haven't liked the stream or subbed to the channel, do us a favor and do those two things on your way out, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, love you guys. Peace. Have been waiting on gold. Later, chat. Peace. Have a great day.
Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. Old dude met mom, it was on. Then he named me over a phone. Prison term, live and learn, sip and serve with my vision blurred. Take this cup of reality, niggas finna earn. When you start from the bottom, you can see the top. So when you get to it, don't let them see the spot. Next thing you know, you're looking for a rent sign. Upper echelon. Bitch, we skip line. I remember reminiscing in the kitchen like, I wonder when them Braves gon' win it. I wonder when them Falcons gon' get here. High Rex vision made more than I ever made with DTP this year. Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Every night just one thing on my mind. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. You say, oh, you got that all shit. Hell no, next time that's mine. As long as I stay hustling, I'm gon' shine. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. Just waiting on my moment. Bad hoes, I'm showing it. Time came and I owned it, just like Brian Jackson start bowling. When I touched the rock and I cracked the block, when I pulled up and that mustard drop with that roof off and my shoes off for y'all bitch niggas. Roof off, real nigga in my hood who everybody gon' roof off. They see me come from that bottom where everybody get bodied. They told me get him, I got him. Now I'm here, nigga, like yeah, nigga, just Rolls Royce and Bugattis and M4s this year, nigga. If I don't grind, I don't shine. If I don't shine, then I don't eat. If I don't eat, then I'ma starve. And if I'ma starve, I pour heat. All y'all bitch ass niggas, all y'all rich ass niggas. If I don't make no money, nigga, I'm gon' take your money, nigga. Tired of living day to day like everything's alright. Every night just one thing on my mind. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. You say, oh, you got that all shit. Hell no, next time that's mine. As long as I stay hustling, I'm gon' shine. I'm just waiting on that moment. Waiting on my moment. Since life ain't promised tomorrow, live it up, live it up, live it up. Be a fool.
freedom.